So I just got my Emeril Lagasse Forever Pan set, and I'm so excited to use it because I'm a huge cook. I love to entertain and have people over. So I have my grill pan insert, and I'm going to show you how I prepare my steaks. As you can see, I have some colorful peppers and onions. I have my seasoning to get it just so, and I have a side of broccoli. Here's my beautiful steak with all my delicious seasoning. And this pan is great because it's non-stick and there's a lot of space. So I can add 2 steaks here, plenty of room. Look at these grill marks from the grill plate insert. Isn't that so cool? Now for my favorite part, to try my steak. Here we go. It smells amazing. Looks like it's medium well, my favorite way to have my steak. Oh my God. It's heaven, pure heaven. So this pan is definitely a game changer. I love the grill plate insert. It gives me those great lines that you see on the steak. And it's just amazing. So for me, it's great.